Potential generally refers to what? Work done per unit. Plus 1 किन रेफर करता सी? Per unit mass. Plus 2 किन रेफर करता है? Per unit charge. So suppose there is a charge, very heavy charge Q, and we place a charge, a unit test charge at point P. This positive will repel positive. So if you release it, कितने जाएगा ये? Up to infinity. It can do some work for you. If you release, it will move from P to infinity and it can do some work for you. Whatever work it can do for you, that is what we call as the potential at that point. See, बहुत बार यूज करते हैं कि इस पर्सन से बड़ा पोटेंशियल है. Means what? Ability to do work, कि बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. ठीक है? So definition के हिसाब से की करिए, बोलो कि लिखे है. A unit positive test charge is placed at point P at distance r. Let the distance between the two be r. At distance r, from charge plus q, charge q is large and at rest. Charge at P will move from P to infinity due to force of repulsion. Work done by positive will repel. If you release, it will move from this position to infinity. It can do some work for you. Work done. Per unit charge as it moves from P to infinity. Or if you bring a charge, if I bring this charge from infinity to this point, I will have to work against force of repulsion. तब मैनू कम करना पड़ेगा. Whatever work I do, that gets stored in form of electric potential energy. इत्थे वापस work done by external agency, here in this case I, work done by external agency to take this charge from infinity to this point. Work done by external agency to bring unit charge from infinity to that point. Keda P. Suppose this work, as an example, suppose this work done is 100 joule per coulomb. We call this as 100 बोलो की वोल्ट. SI यूनिट बोलो पढ़ के दसो. Yes, joule per coulomb, which is equivalent to what? Volt. Dimensions. Dimensions of potential are same as that of work by charge. What is dimensional formula for work? M1 L2 T minus 2. What is dimensional formula for charge? A into T. So what you get is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. Time with you is 4 minutes to write. आगे आ जाते. रिपीट करना है. बाकी लिखो. तुम सुनो. What is electric potential? There is a heavy charge Q. Suppose you place a 1 coulomb charge here. These two will repel. And this charge, suppose it is fixed, it is at rest. The other charge will move from P to infinity. It can do some work for you. Whatever work it can do for you, that is what we call as a potential at that point. So it is work done per charge as it moves from P to infinity. Or if you bring this charge from infinity to this point. You will have to do this work. You will have to do this work in moving from infinity to this point. इस तरह कर लो. Work done by external agency to bring it. Example is, suppose you release it. It moves from P to infinity and it can do 100 joule work for you. Then 100 joule per coulomb. What do you call this as? 100 volt. Potential at P is 100 volt. SI unit joule per coulomb, it is volt. Dimensions, work per unit charge. Work the dimension formula लगी है भाई, M1 L2 T minus 2. Charge is current into time, A into T. Solve करो. Potential difference. Yes. Potential difference. Now we discuss 2 points. One is P, other is R. P is at distance R1 and R is at distance R2. Potential at P is the amount of work if this charge moves from this point to infinity. Potential at R is the work done if this charge moves from R to infinity. Suppose you move from P to R. Work done per unit charge as it moves from P to R. Potential at P, as an example, let potential at P is 150 volt. Potential at R is equal to, examples के ना 50 लिखे 100 लिखे 100 volt. Delta V, sorry. Potential at P minus potential at R. This is what potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points. Kede bolo? P and R. Potential at P is how much? 150 volt. Potential at R is 100 volt. Difference of the two comes out to what? 50 volt. That's all. Last line. Potential difference between 2 points does not depend on path followed. If you move from P to R, you have number of ways to do it. You can move it via route 1, path 1. You can move it path 2. You can move it by path 3. Delta V will remain same. How much? 50 volt. it does not depend on path. Why? Anyone? Reason bolo? Yes, field is conservative. Conservative field. Both gravitational field and electric field are conservative. In gravitational field, you move from this point to this point via root 1 mgh, root 2 mgh, root 3 mgh. In all the cases, the work done remains same. Conservative field hai, that is why the work done remains same. 4 minutes to write. This is B part, potential difference. This is potential difference. A part was what is electric potential, B part is potential difference. आराम ना लिखो, कोई जल्दी नहीं. Numerical is if 100 joule of work. मिल गया क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है पेज 114, 1 by 114. If 100 joule of work must be done to move electric charge equal to 4 coulomb. Work is given. How much work? 100 joule. How much charge? 4 coulomb. From a place where potential is, potential at a point is given -10 to another place where potential is V2 or V, which you have to find out. Find the value of V2 or V. करो try. Again, this is plus Q. 100 joule of work is done to move 4 coulomb charge. The charge is plus. You will have to do. That means you are moving from. Yes. अगर छड़ दोगे तो क्या करेगा? It will move away. But here you need to do how much work? 100 joule in moving 4 coulomb charge. That means this positive charge plus 4 coulomb, you are moving from position 1 to position 2. You will have to do work. What is the potential of 1? Given. बोलो कितना? -10. V2 we don't know, but you know the potential difference of the two. Yes, delta V is equal to 100 joule by 4 coulomb, 25 volt. First step. Which of the two is at higher potential, V1 or V2? The point which is close is at a higher potential. Fine. If you are doing some work, for example, if you are moving it like this, in terms of gravitation, if you are moving, you are doing work in shifting an object from one level to the other. You are doing work. This point where you are shifting is at a higher level. So you are doing work, that means this is at a higher potential. So V2 minus V1 is equal to 25 volt. V2 minus 10 is equal to 25. V2 is equal to what? 15 volt. Simple. Work done is 100. How much charge? 4. So potential difference between the two is 25. So the question was, which of the two is at higher potential? Otherwise, in objective questions, if you take this as -10, this value is -35, 25 units less. If you take this as -10, this point is at 25 units higher. -10 plus 25, कितना बन गया? +15. कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना चाहिए. कॉन्सेप्ट क्यों पता लगेगा? थ्रू डायग्राम. नाउ वी रेफर टू थियरी क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. पढ़ो 2 मिनट. थियरी क्वेश्चन. थियरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. बोलो की है. You have to plot what? Electric field and due to charge capital Q as a function of R. Find and plot electric field E and electric potential V as a function of R. There is a charge Q Electric field is what? Below force experienced per unit charge. First part E find out करना है. Formula below E is equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon r square. This we proved by number of methods. Force experienced per unit charge or number of lines per unit area. Graph में आएगा. Yes. As you move away, yes, E decreases. E is inversely proportional to R. R square, sorry. कर लो complete. One full page. One full page. क्वेश्चन देखो, फोकस ऑन दिस पार्ट ओनली. वन फुल पेज कर ले. ये लिख के नोट्स बंद कर दो. सेकेंड पार्ट डील्स विद व्हाट? ये पता करना है, बोलो सेकेंड पार्ट. यस, सेकेंड पार्ट you have to find out potential V. When you say potential, potential means work done per unit charge plus 1. If you have a force distance graph, work किस तरह होता है? Force distance graph. Suppose there is a charge. This positive charge will repel this positive charge. It will shift by a small distance dr. Agreed? What is the small amount of work done? As it moves from this position to this position, there is a force acting F, distance is dr. Small amount of work done is this area under the graph. Small work. In case this is a force. In case it is force per unit charge, we will discuss. Small work plus 1. Small work done is equal to F dr. Correct? Total work done is total area under graph, means integration. So integrate both sides. What you get is work is equal to F dr. But we are interested in work or work per unit charge? Work per unit charge. So dividing both sides by charge. Force per unit charge is in plus 2. बोलो की है? Force experienced per unit charge. Yes. Electric field E. E is equal to what? Previous part. E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square dr is equal to, we can shift it to this level. Constant below q by 4 pi epsilon r's power 2 in the denominator, r's power minus 2. Limits, yes, shift कित्थों लेके कितना करना है? You have to move the charge from r to infinity. So the limits of integration are from r to infinity. It is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. R's power minus 2. Yes, integration बोलो कितनी आएगी? X's power n integration is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So r's power minus 2 integration करोगे तो r's power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. Limits r to infinity. Solve करके देखोगे what you get is q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So potential at any point is, ग्राफ बोलो की बनूंगा था V as a function of R. V is inversely proportional to R. So the graph is of this type. V is equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R power 1. E is inversely proportional to R square and V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. E is inversely proportional to R square and V is inversely proportional to R. So now onwards, conclusion की है so far, electric field E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon R square. This is conclusion up to 1 to 20 questions. Because you deal with the same. Chapter 1 deals with what? Electric field and potential. Potential का formula की बना है Q by 4 pi epsilon R. Q by 4 pi epsilon R. Q by लिख लो 5 minutes to write. आराम ना लिखो, समझ आ गया तो बोर्ड ते देखे बिना लिखो, विच जरूरत पैंदी है तो रेफर करो. 1 by r. When you put infinity minus 1 by infinity, then minus minus की बन जाएंगे प्लस. लिमिट्स अपने आप जरूर ट्राई करनी चाहिए. लिख लिया. न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 6. Numerical number 6. थोड़ा पे लगी है. Numerical number 6 is a point charge 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb is situated at origin of coordinates. मिल गया? Page 1 by 114. Find potential difference between the points A and B. So there is a charge at origin, means coordinate of this point is 0, 0, 0. There is some charge lying at A, sorry, point A. What are the coordinate of A? 4 and 2. Another point B, coordinate of B are 1, 2. Find potential difference between A and B. Means what you have to find out is, this is numerical number 6. Find VA minus VB. Step 1. Find VA. What is the formula? You just covered. Charge Q divided by 4 pi epsilon r. R in this case is RA. So it is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA. RA किस तरह आएगा? Yes. Anyone? Coordinate of this point is 0, 0, 0. This point is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2. X2 minus X1 square plus Y2 minus Y1 square plus Z2 minus Z1 square, the under root. Means whenever you find out distance or length of this line, X2 minus X1 square, Y2 minus Y1 square, Z2 minus Z1 square, the under root आएगा. It is what? 4 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square. Comes out to be what? 16 plus 16 plus 4. 36 the under root करोगे कितना बन गया? 6 RA. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 6. Step 2. Find potential of B. Potential of B is, बोलो, formula बोलो, Q, yes, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RB. RB comes out to be equal to what? RB is 1 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square comes out to be what? 3. So it is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 3. Step 3. बोलो की चाहिए potential difference is equal to VA minus VB. Q over 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Put value of Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is what? 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is the value of charge? 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. And this value solve करके पता करो कितना है 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. अगर मैग्नीट्यूड पता करना है तो you can find out 1 by 6 आएगा ना है 1 by 6 माइनस है नॉट एन इशू कोई गल सॉल्व करके बोलो कितना आ गया 10 to the power 9 है 10 to the power minus 8 है माइनस है ओनली माइनस 15 यस यस 10 to the power 9 10 to the power minus 8 की बन गया 10 9 into 10 कितना हो गया 90 90 by 6 कितना होता है 15 so the answer is minus 15. एप्लीकेशन पता लग गई Q by 4 pi epsilon r Q डायरेक्ट चार्ज है बट R जो देखने सिंपल लगता सी can be bit complex in competition. They may not give you directly R, they may give you the coordinates of the endpoints. Then you will have to solve it.